In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add TikTok Inbox Shortcut on your homepage. You can simply enable TikTok Inbox Shortcut to your iPhone home screen in just few simple steps. Just head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these 3 lines right here and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of content and display. You will then select the last option of home screen shortcuts. On Inbox, tap on the Add button. Wait for it to load. Then tap on this share icon. Scroll down and click on Add to Home Screen. You can go on and edit to any preferred name. This will always be displayed as the app name. Tap on Add and your TikTok Inbox Shortcut will get added to your home screen successfully. That's how easy it is to add your TikTok Inbox Shortcut to your home screen. If you're having trouble setting your TikTok Inbox Shortcut, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.